Do you know why most people never achieve their dreams? It's not because they're lazy. It's not because they're stupid. And it's definitely not because they don't have opportunities. It's because they rely on motivation. And here's the truth. Motivation is overrated. Today, I'm going to share with you the real key to success. The skill that will put you ahead of 99% of people. The reason some people keep winning year after year, while others keep starting over. That skill is discipline. Let's be honest. Motivation feels amazing. For a while. You watch an inspiring video, listen to an empowering speech, or read a powerful quote. And suddenly, you're ready to take on the world. But then the next morning comes. Your alarm rings at 5 a.m. It's dark. It's cold. You're tired. And guess what? Motivation is nowhere to be found. That's because motivation is a temporary feeling. It comes and goes like the weather. And if you build your dreams around motivation, you'll never finish anything. Think about it. How many times have you started something, a diet, a workout plan, a new skill, only to quit after the excitement wore off? That's motivation disappearing. Discipline is different. Discipline doesn't care if you're tired. It doesn't care if you're in the mood. It doesn't even care if you feel like quitting. Discipline means you do it because it's part of who you are. You keep your promises to yourself. You act according to your values, not your emotions. Motivation asks, do I feel like it? Discipline says, I'll do it anyway. Here's the real game. Motivation gets you started. Discipline keeps you going. So how do you move from motivation to discipline? It starts with one mindset shift. Stop treating your goals like options. When something is optional, you will find an excuse. When something is non-negotiable, you will find a way. Look at Olympic athletes. Do you think they wake up every day motivated to train for hours? Of course not. They train because it's their identity. It's what they do, no questions asked. You need to start seeing your habits, your learning, your growth, your health, not as something you do when you feel like it, but as part of your daily life. Here are the step-by-step process to build rock-solid discipline. 1. Start small, win daily. Don't try to change everything at once. Pick one habit. Stick to it for 30 days. Small wins build confidence. 2. Create triggers. Link your habit to something you already do. Example, after brushing your teeth, read 2 pages of a book. 3. Remove friction. Make it easy to start. If you want to work out in the morning, lay out your clothes the night before. 4. Track progress. Use a calendar, journal, or app. The satisfaction of seeing your streak grow is a powerful motivator. 5. Embrace boredom. Discipline means doing it even when it's not exciting anymore. This is where most people quit and where you will win. Imagine this. You start today. You commit to reading 10 pages of a good book every day. In 1 month, that's 300 pages, 1 full book. In 1 year, that's 12 books. In 5 years, that's 60 books. Now think about skills. Spend just 1 focused hour a day learning a new skill. Coding, design, public speaking, investing. In 1 year, that's 365 hours. That's like taking multiple university courses without paying tuition. This is the power of discipline. It compounds. It grows. It builds a version of you that even you will be shocked to see in 5 years. Elon Musk didn't build Tesla and SpaceX by waiting for motivation. He worked insane hours, even when the odds were against him. Kobe Bryant was known to train at 4 a.m., whether he felt like it or not. Warren Buffett reads for hours every day, not because he's in the mood, but because it's his habit. All these high achievers have one thing in common. They made discipline their foundation. So erase your challenge. For the next 30 days, commit to one habit. Don't wait for motivation. Don't negotiate with yourself. Just do it every single day. At first, it will feel hard. Then it will feel normal. Eventually, it will feel like breathing. That's when you know you've won. Remember this. Motivation will get you started. Discipline will get you results. And in the end, it's not about what you feel. It's about what you do. Stay disciplined. Stay consistent. And watch your life change.